Psychology, often referred to as the science of the mind, serves as a gateway to understanding the intricate workings of human cognition, emotion, and behavior. This multifaceted discipline delves into the complexities of the human psyche, exploring the interplay between biological, psychological, and social factors that shape our thoughts and actions. By adopting a scientific approach, psychologists aim to unravel the mysteries of the mind and shed light on the underlying mechanisms that drive human behavior. The field of psychology encompasses a diverse array of subfields, ranging from clinical psychology and cognitive neuroscience to social psychology and industrial organizational psychology. Each subfield offers a unique perspective on the human behavior and mental processes, contributing to our collective understanding of the human experience. As psychology continues to evolve, new subfields emerge, reflecting the dynamic nature of the discipline and its relevance to contemporary issues. Psychology, positioned as the scientific exploration of behavior and mental processes, is an expansive field that employs a diverse array of research methods and theoretical frameworks to delve into the intricacies of human experience. Grounded in principles such as empiricism, objectivity, and systematic inquiry, psychology places a strong emphasis on evidence-based practices and rigorous methodology, ensuring the reliability and validity of its findings. Behavior, the observable actions and responses of individuals, serves as a foundational pillar of psychological inquiry. Psychologists keenly observe and analyze a behavior across various contexts, aiming to comprehend the motivations, influences, and consequences that underlie human actions. This nuanced examination allows psychologists to discern patterns, trends, and individual differences, contributing significantly to our comprehensive understanding of human behavior. Expanding the scope of investigation, psychology delves into the intricate workings of the mind, exploring cognitive processes such as perception, memory, language, and problem solving. Cognitive psychology, a prominent subfield, endeavors to unravel the mechanisms that govern how individuals acquire, process, store, and retrieve information. Through this exploration, psychologists gain insight into the underpinnings of human thought and decision making, enhancing our grasp of mental processes. Beyond behavior and cognition, emotion emerges as a vital component of the human experience that significantly shapes behavior and cognition. Psychologists undertake a comprehensive examination of emotions, exploring their nature, physiological and psychological manifestations, and its impact on mental health and well-being. This understanding of emotions becomes instrumental in fostering interpersonal relationships, managing stress, and cultivating psychological resilience. The scientific study of behavior and mental processes in psychology is enriched by a diverse array of theoretical perspectives. These perspectives, including psychodynamic, behavior, cognitive, humanistic, and sociocultural approaches, offer unique lenses through which psychologists interpret human behavior. The psychodynamic perspective, for instance, explores the influence of unconscious processes on behavior, while the behavioral perspective emphasizes the role of observable actions and environmental factors. Cognitive psychology, as a perspective, focuses on mental processes and information processing. Humanistic psychology highlights the importance of personal growth and self-actualization, while the socio-cultural perspective recognizes the impact of cultural and social factors on behavior. The amalgamation of these perspectives underscores the complexity and diversity of the human experience. It fosters a holistic understanding that acknowledges the interplay between individual, societal, and cultural influences on behavioral and mental processes. This interdisciplinary approach ensures that psychology continues to evolve and adapt, capturing the richness of human diversity and providing valuable insights into the intricate tapestry of the human mind. The history of psychology unfolds as a rich tapestry, weaving together a myriad of ideas, theories, and discoveries that have profoundly influenced the evolution of this dynamic field. Rooted in ancient philosophy and medicine, psychology's journey is marked by significant transformations, shaping the understanding of the human mind and behavior over the centuries. Ancient civilizations, particularly the Greeks, laid groundwork for psychological inquiry. Philosophers like Plato and Aristotle pondered the intricate nature of the mind and its relationship with the body. These early musings set the stage for the development of psychological concepts, providing a philosophical foundation for future explorations. The pivotal moment in psychology's history is often attributed to Wilhelm Wundt, a German psychologist who, in 1879, established the first experimental psychology laboratory in Leipzig, Germany. His pioneering work focused on the scientific study of consciousness and perception, marking the formal inception of psychology as a distinct scientific discipline. The late 19th and 20th centuries witnessed the emergence of major schools of thought, each contributing distinctive perspectives to the understanding of human behavior and mental processes. Structuralism, led by Edward Titchener, sought to analyze the basic elements of consciousness through introspection. Concurrently, functionalism, championed by William James, emphasized the adaptive functions of behavior and the importance of studying the mind in its natural context. Sigmund Freud's psychoanalysis delved into the depths of the unconscious mind, proposing that early childhood experiences shape personality and behavior. Meanwhile, behaviorism, led by John B. Watson and later B.F. Skinner, shifted the focus to observable behavior, emphasizing the influence of environmental factors on learning and behavior. The cognitive revolution of the 1950s and 1960s brought forth a renewed interest in mental processes and information processing. Cognitive psychology emerged as a distinct subfield, exploring how individuals acquire, process, store, and retrieve information, a significant departure from behaviorism's exclusive emphasis on external behavior. Humanistic psychology, spearheaded by Carl Rogers and Abraham Maslow, emerged as a response to the perceived limitations of behaviorism and psychoanalysis. Humanistic psychology underscored the importance of personal growth, self-actualization, and subjective experience in understanding human behavior. The diversity of major schools of thought in psychology reflects the field's adaptability and continuous quest to unravel the complexities of the human mind and behavior. While each school of thought contributed valuable insights, contemporary psychology embraces an integrative approach. This approach draws on multiple perspectives and methodologies to advance our understanding of the mind and behavior. Moreover, the evolution of psychology is intricately connected to advancements in technology and methodology. The advent of neuroimaging techniques such as fMRI and EEG has allowed psychologists to explore the neural underpinnings of cognition and behavior. Additionally, longitudinal studies and large-scale research projects provide a more comprehensive understanding of human development, cognition, and mental health. As psychology progresses into the 21st century, it faces new challenges and opportunities. The field continues to expand its horizons with interdisciplinary collaborations, incorporating insights from neuroscience, genetics, and computer science. This collaborative spirit fosters a holistic understanding of the complexities of the human mind, pushing the boundaries of psychological inquiry and contributing to the ongoing narrative of this captivating scientific discipline. Psychologists form a vital role in a wide range of settings, applying their expertise to enhance individual well-being, promote social change, and advance scientific knowledge. The diverse skill set of psychologists allows them to work in various domains, including clinical practice, research, education, and organizational consulting. In clinical settings, psychologists provide assessment, diagnosis, and treatment for individuals experiencing mental health challenges, emotional distress, and behavioral disorders. Clinical psychologists employ a range of therapeutic techniques, such as cognitive behavioral therapy, psychoanalysis, and mindfulness-based interventions to help clients address psychological issues and improve their quality of life. Counseling psychologists focus on helping individuals navigate life transitions, relationship challenges, and personal growth. They provide counseling services in a variety of settings, including schools, community centers, and private practices, offering support and guidance to individuals seeking to enhance their well-being and resilience. In educational settings, school psychologists work with students, teachers, and families to address academic, social, and emotional issues that may impact learning and development. School psychologists conduct assessments, provide interventions, and collaborate with educators to create supportive learning environments that foster student success and well-being. Industrial organizational psychologists apply psychological principles to the workplace, focusing on areas such as employee motivation, leadership development, and organizational culture. They work with businesses, government agencies, and nonprofit organizations to enhance employee satisfaction, productivity, and organizational effectiveness through evidence-based practices and interventions. Research psychologists conduct scientific studies to enhance our understanding of human behavior, cognition, and emotion. They design experiments, collect data, and analyze results to uncover new insights into psychological processes and phenomena. Research psychologists work in academic institutions, research centers, and government agencies, contributing to the development of psychological knowledge and the advancement of the field. Psychologists also play a crucial role in advocacy, policy development, and social change initiatives. They work to promote mental health awareness, reduce stigma, and advocate for policies that support the well-being of individuals and communities. Psychologists engage in public education campaigns, policy research, and community outreach efforts to address social issues and promote positive change. The role of psychologists in various settings is multifaceted and dynamic, reflecting the diverse applications of psychological knowledge and the field. Their expertise is crucial in addressing mental health issues, enhancing educational outcomes, improving workplace dynamics, and shaping public policy to foster healthier societies. Ethical guidelines in psychology are paramount, serving as the backbone of research and practice within the field. These guidelines ensure that psychologists conduct their work responsibly, prioritizing the welfare and dignity of both research participants and clients. The American Psychological Association, or APA, outlines key ethical principles, including beneficence, non-maleficence, autonomy, justice, and fidelity, which guide psychologists in making ethical decisions. Beneficence and non-maleficence requires psychologists to strive to benefit those with whom they work while taking care to do no harm. This principle is crucial in research settings, where the well-being of participants must be safeguarded. In practice, it means conducting thorough risk-benefit analysis before experiments and ensuring that interventions do not adversely affect clients. The principle of autonomy respects individuals' rights to make informed decisions about their participation in research or therapy. Psychologists must ensure that their participants and their clients are fully informed about the nature and purpose of procedures, and consent must be obtained freely without coercion. Justice entails treating individuals fairly and equitably, ensuring that the benefits and burdens of research are distributed equally. The principle also underscores the importance of accessibility to psychological services, advocating for the removal of barriers to care for underserved populations. Fidelity and responsibility emphasize the importance of trust in the psychologist-client and researcher-participant relationships. Psychologists are expected to maintain confidentiality, uphold professional standards, and address ethical dilemmas with integrity. These ethical guidelines are not only foundational to the conduct of psychology, but also evolve with the field. As new ethical challenges arise, particularly with advancements in technology and digital privacy concerns, the guidelines are revisited and revised to remain relevant and comprehensive. The triad of behavior, cognition, and emotion forms the core of psychological study, each contributing uniquely to our understanding of the human experience. Behavior encompasses the wide array of actions and reactions exhibited by individuals, observable through their interactions with the environment and others. It includes everything from basic reflexes to complex social behaviors. Psychologists study behavior to discern patterns, understand the influence of external stimuli, and explore the relationship between behavior and mental states. Cognition represents the mental processes involved in gaining knowledge and comprehension, including aspects such as thinking, knowing, remembering, judging, and problem solving. These processes are fundamental to understanding how individuals perceive the world, make decisions, and interact with their environment. Cognitive psychology investigates these processes to develop methods for enhancing learning, improving memory, and designing user-friendly technology interfaces. Emotion, characterized by complex feelings and their associated psychological responses, significantly influences both cognition and behavior. Emotions can alter how we receive information, make decisions, and interact with others. The study of emotion in psychology examines how emotions are generated, experienced, and regulated, and their impact on mental health. Understanding emotions is crucial for developing effective therapeutic strategies and fostering emotional well-being. These key concepts are interrelated, with each being influenced and influencing the others. For instance, we can think about how cognition can affect how we feel, which is emotion, and act, which is behavior, and vice versa. This interplay is central to many psychological theories and applications, from understanding developmental milestones to treating psychological disorders. The field of psychology is continually evolving, with current trends highlighting the importance of technological advancements, interdisciplinary research, and a greater focus on diversity and inclusivity. Technological advancements, such as artificial intelligence and machine learning, are transforming psychological research and practice. These technologies enable the analysis of large datasets, providing insights into complex psychological phenomena, and improving diagnostic tools and therapeutic interventions. Virtual reality is another area of growth, offering innovative ways to treat conditions like PTSD and phobias through exposure therapy in controlled virtual environments. Interdisciplinary research, combining psychology with fields such as neuroscience, biology, and computer science, is enriching our understanding of the mind and behavior. This collaborative approach facilitates a more comprehensive exploration of psychological phenomena, from the neural basis of cognition and emotion to the impact of social and environmental factors on mental health. The emphasis on diversity and inclusivity reflects a growing recognition of the need to understand and address the psychological experiences of individuals from varied backgrounds and cultures. This trend is driving research that considers the influence of cultural, socioeconomic, and identity factors on mental health and well-being, leading to more culturally sensitive and equitable psychological practices. Looking to the future, psychology is poised to make significant contributions to addressing global challenges, including mental health crises, climate change, and social inequality. The field will likely see further integration of technology in research and practice, a continued push for interdisciplinary collaboration, and an unwavering commitment to diversity and inclusivity. By expanding our understanding of behavior, cognition, and emotion, adhering to ethical guidelines, and embracing current trends and future directions, psychology continues to offer invaluable insights into the human condition, promoting well-being and positive change in society.